Good day guys, my fellow Taoists and A-gorillas. I hope you're doing well. Today, I will share with you how to install Tao language REPL on Linux and Windows. For Linux Ubuntu OS, go to Terminal and write get to download the file. Then write sudo dpkg to install. Dir is to the file downloaded. Write Tao to run the Tao language REPL. Type 5 to see the current version. Type Q to quit. Now let's start to install Tao language REPL on Windows. Go to GitHub of Tao language, search and click Windows installer to download. Click to install. Go to the folder bin and click Tao to run the Tao language REPL.